Let's veganize the viral chocolate muffins that these Olympians love so much. We're gonna start off by making our flax egg. Add the water and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our flour, organic cane sugar because it's vegan, Dutch processed cocoa powder. Make sure it's Dutch processed, okay? Baking soda, salt, and 1.5 cups of chunky vegan chocolate chips. There's a whole bag that. Might as well just add the whole bag. Wow, it tastes good. Lord. Mix that up little bits. Just, you know, stir it all around, you know what I'm saying? And just put it to the side. And now in your main bowl, we're gonna measure out the wet ingredients. So let's start off with the yogurt. I like to use the So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk. This one happens to be vanilla, but I usually use the plain one. Even better is the cocoa june. It's organic and I love organic everything. I just splashed water on my face, but they didn't have cocoa june, so we went with this. Okay, Lord of mercy. I should have mixed it first. Nothing wrong with using a spoon now. Wait. Vegetable oil, I happen to use sunflower oil now. I used to use organic canola, but I'm trying to switch to sunflower oil where I can. This is my favorite milk to use because my milk machine broke. My milk making machine for my oats, it broke. So I now use super basic. It's literally just oats and water. And I think one of it, citrus fiber and salt. So go ahead and add in 1/2 cup of that. That seemed like a lot. I don't know about that measurement. Yeah, that was way too much milk. My math was just off. So I dumped it and we're starting over. Add your yogurt, oil. That was off too. Oh snap. And the right amount of oat milk. There we go. And lastly, a whole lot of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna whisk this by hand because I don't feel like moving over to plug in the KitchenAid and yeah, but I would mix it until it's combined. Now we're gonna pour the dry into the wet, and you're going to use a spatula to fold the ingredients. It's gonna be thick. This is not good for people who have tendinitis, like myself. Oh, and please don't forget your flax egg. I just remembered it. You can either make these as jumbos or as regular size. We're just gonna do regular size tonight because that's just what we're gonna do. I like to use this scoop for my muffins and cupcakes. So we're just gonna scoop that in. I try not to taste the batter, but sometimes you can't resist. Go ahead and bake these at 350 for 20 minutes. So while that's baking, we're gonna work on our ganache. You're gonna microwave your vegan heavy cream for about a minute, 20-second bursts until it's super hot. Then you're gonna add your chocolate to it and just let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then you just mix it so it all comes together. So it's the next day. The muffins are completely cooled. The ganache has set. And we're just gonna. Don't they look so good? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is rich.